Hi guys, my name is Luis from Broadmoor RV Superstore. Today we're going to be looking at the 2022 Lance 1985. The front of the unit is equipped with a connection for portable solar panels. It has an electric power jack and 3 5-gallon propane tanks with the cover. It has a leaf spring suspension with road armor equalizer, 15-inch endurance Goodyear tires, has an automatic awning that will detect any wind and fold itself away. Comes equipped with a backup camera. As you walk into the unit, one of the first things that you'll notice is the amount of space that it provides. The entry door features a retractable side-to-side screen door. Every window on this unit is equipped with day-night shades. As we head over to the kitchen area, it features a 3-burner range, a residential sink, 6 cubic foot refrigerator, and a stainless steel microwave. The bathroom features a porcelain toilet, a medicine cabinet, and ample storage for all of your camping needs. Another key feature in the bathroom is the stand-up shower. Something that stands out in that stand-up shower is a shower miser. The shower miser makes it so that you can save up to 40% of fresh water. Some of the entertainment that this unit comes equipped with is a 12-volt 32-inch television, the JBL sound system. You'll have theater-like sound quality. The dual-purpose sleeping area provides a quality queen-size mattress that folds back, revealing a sofa for extra seating. And that was the Lance 1985. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call us, go online, or come check us out. Here at Broadmoor RV, we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're #1 at Broadmoor RV. We make camping fun.